So that's it, that's the cylinder head on. That's new cylinder head gasket, new head bolts, and all torqued down correctly. And then you wait 10 minutes or undo them. No, you wait 10 minutes, then you undo them, and then you do them back up to the right torque. Next, I've got a new timing belt as well to go on the engine. This timing belt is really easy to install, apart from there not being a lot of room, because on the belt itself there are lines. So that line will probably line up with the there's a dot on the outside of the crank pulley, and likewise up the top there will be two to match the cam pulleys. So it's fairly easy to do. Just make sure you get it going the right way, and then tension it, and you're all good then. So I'm going to put the belt on and put the engine mount and everything back on, and then we're almost ready to start it back up again then, and see if it's still having a hissy fit. I think it's all together now. All together now. I put some coolant in, I've topped the oil up, all the belts are on, the battery's charged. I guess all I got left to do is turn it on. I've left the injectors unplugged, and I think that's a bad idea. I think I might put them on and then we'll start it up. Okay, bolt it all back up, I think, and then yeah, we'll see how long it takes for the oil pressure to drop. Well, that cylinder head replacement seems to have done the trick, or at least not made it worse. It starts, it runs, the map is terrible, it needs remapping, but yeah, it heat cycles okay, everything looks okay at the moment. Having said that, I know exactly what comes up next. I'm filming this like 2 weeks later after I've done that, so I know the saga that comes up, another Megane adventure that we can go on. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the next episode. We've got more mechanical work to do. So yeah, I'm going to leave this part of the Megane update for now. We'll catch up in the next episode. Until then, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that next episode. Give this video a like if you liked it. If you didn't, press that dislike button. That works. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what I've done wrong. Tell me how to do things properly. And also, if you want to follow the channel on other social media, there's a Facebook page, there's a Twitter that I never use, there's an Instagram, and I post pictures and stuff up on there, videos. Worth going over there to have a look. If you really want to support the channel, we've got a Patreon, and I've also started up YouTube memberships, so click the join button below the video, or go to the channel. There's a link in the description either way. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, Patreon, link down in the description and up there. Link in the description for YouTube memberships. It's all the same thing, you get all the same perks for mostly the same price. So yeah, until next time, where there's more fun. Ciao.